All right. Hello, guys. Welcome to our PrimeWave membership, a step-by-step guide on how to purchase product on our membership. The first step natin, step 1, dun sa ating members menu, itap nyo yung product shop, then tap on your selected product. So, pipili kayo kung anong product ang inyong gusto. Then, tap nyo lang yan. Then, on the next page, tap on the buy button. So, pag tap nyo ng buy button, mag-open ang uh, another page wherein ilalagay nyo kung ilan yung quantity. Kung isa lang, ay no need to edit that one. Kung mas more than one, lagay nyo yung, palitan nyo yung one, and tap nyo yung recalculate order. After that, tap on proceed to checkout. Then, after that, dun sa page na lalabas, nandyan yung address, shipping address details, and click nyo yung update shipping details, and ilagay nyo yung correct name ng recipient and complete address and the contact number, and tap nyo itong save and use this address. So, on the next page, review nyo yung shipping address, yung inilagay yung address, yung item na bibilhin nyo, yung amount, and then proceed to checkout. Tap nyo yung proceed to checkout. Then, on the next page, papupunta kayo sa payment options, ay piliin nyo lang cryptocurrency or GCash or bank deposit, ano? So, pag na-tap nyo yan, na-select nyo, then tap nyo yung check, proceed to checkout, lalabas niya yung payment modes kung saan nyo ipadadala, ano? Mga options na pwede, kung saan nyo pwede i-deposit or i-send ang yung payment. So, i-send nyo na and take a screenshot of your payment proof. Then, tap nyo tong start chat in Messenger. So, ito. So, number 14, start chat in Messenger. Magbubukas ang inyong Messenger. Makakapag-chat na kayo sa PrimeWave support. And ang gawin nyo lang, i-send nyo yung screenshot at ang username and the uh, details kung ano yung in order. Alright? So, ang gagawin lang po ng ating support will verify your payment, then isi-ship na po sa inyo. So, nilagay yung address, yung product na binili nyo. And of course, once na approved na yung inyong purchase, saka lang po lalabas ang inyong position doon sa ating starter. Click sa progressing 2x4 matrix. All right? So, this is just how simple to purchase your products sa ating PrimeWave members eShop. All right? Thank you and get this.